Alright, so let's crack this thing open and take a look at what they have inside here. So power cable, USB 3.2 Gen 1 connection, so you're gonna have to use this custom USB cable for connecting to your computer. And then the big mamma jamma in here, the D10 itself. Let me just kind of wiggle it out here. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Of course, it's got active cooling, so that's where the vents are coming from. Then, of course, we've got two USB Type A, 7.5 watts. So you can charge off this thing too, because again, it comes with its own power cord. Size-wise, it's a 3.5-inch hard drive. I mean, it kind of says that on it, so I'm just going to lay another 7200 RPM drive next to it just so you can kind of see the size of it in comparison, which basically takes up the whole thing minus any kind of controllers at the front end of it to distribute power and data transfer. Yeah, that's what all this extra little room is for. Without cracking it open, it just needs a little bit of room to be able to maneuver all that circuitry in there. Comes with a handy little stand. You can set it up, throw some lights on it, make it look cool when you're gaming or when you're using your Xbox or your computer. I also have the 5 terabyte versions of the Western Digital plaque, which I also enjoy using. Same 3.2 connector. Okay, and that's the Western Digital D10 12 terabyte hard drive. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.